the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've made it through the midweek period, cruising downhill toward the weekend, but uphill temperature-wise, at least for a couple of days. Next front scheduled about 48 hours from now, so we just got to get through a couple of days and a nice cool and really a fall-like weekend on the way. This next cool front about 5 or 6 degrees cooler at the very least than the last one, and that's the good news. Again, locally, it's been a quiet pattern. High pressure pretty much in charge across the Gulf Rim. Farther to the north, showers. Then it changes over to snow as you get into the big sky country of Montana and into the Dakotas, where winter storm warnings are in effect. Snowfall in the mountains of Montana upwards of 2 feet already. So winter up to the north, but to the south, well, we're working back on summer once again. Check out the temperatures today. Obviously, it's cold where it's snowing. Check out Denver at 82 degrees at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Cold front moves through there. Temperatures drop down to 37 at this hour. So it dropped 45 degrees in a matter of just hours in Denver. And that cool air will be heading this way, but it won't be that cool here. But we're thinking 50s at night as we head into the weekend. So here comes that front as we look at the long-range model. Pushes through during the day, late afternoon, early evening Friday. Saturday looking good. Sunday, warmer air is trying to move back in. A little bit of a disturbance, but we're going to keep it dry for the most part. Could see a slight chance of an isolated shower, but still relatively cool. And then it looks like a changeable pattern next week with scattered showers and thunder showers with a frontal boundary that's going to be in the area and then become nearly stationary. So next week, certainly a much more changeable pattern, and it's going to change day by day. In the near term, though, a warming trend overnight tonight with some patchy fog and some clouds by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, but partly cloudy for the afternoon. I've upped the rain chances a little bit to 30%. Lafayette on eastward. It's going to be lower to the west. You can see even a few more scattered showers and storms as you head out across the basin. And then as we head into Friday, starting off partly to mostly cloudy, I lowered the rain chance Friday. The models have not been quite boisterous on the rain chances. We were going 60%. We'll bring it down to 40%. There'll be scattered showers with the front, and that front working its way through Acadiana by this time Friday evening with the cooler air to follow. So temperature-wise tonight, still not too bad. Low to mid-60s, northern parishes of Acadiana, I-10 corridor, mid to upper 60s, and along the coast, more upper 60s to near 70, especially where you see that yellow showing up. So as we move ahead, temperatures still in the 80s for Friday. Then this weekend, here comes the good stuff, dipping down into the upper 50s Saturday morning and a high Saturday afternoon in the lower 70s. We'll have a fair bit of clouds in the morning Saturday, then some sun in the afternoon. Sunday looks just as nice, a morning start in the mid-50s, and then it's going to be the old up and down weather with the temperature roller coaster kicking in, as we so often see going into the fall and winter and early spring months across Acadiana. But at least cooler air on the way for the weekend and meshing exactly with the weekend. So everybody can wear their sweaters at night if they're doing festivals like Cadian or whatever you have planned. It's going to be great weather.
Very good. Thanks, Rob.